Leon, Bull, Nita, let's go to college. I can feel that someone's cheating on the test. Who is it? Nita or Colt? Colt, you're sitting weird. I need my special cheat sheet identifying glasses. Attach clear plastic to old glasses frames. Coat them with red glass paint. Cut glasses frames out of black foam paper. And glue it onto the glasses. What do I see? A real cheat sheet!
What? No, Miss Bell!
I warned you! No cheat sheets in my class!
Bad timing!
Come in, Bull! Take a seat! Students, meet our new guy, Leon! Hi, Leon!
Who are you?
So, these are the rules of our college. If you study hard, you get a gem. If you are doing bad, forget about any gems. And whoever gets the most gems gets the top prize of the year. Whoa! Everyone deserves a gem. Here. Melt Isomalt. Add food coloring. And pour it into a silicone gem mold. Make different shades of edible gems. Put in Ziploc bags and put in a bag with the Brawl Stars game logo.
Oh.
How cute!
Not bad!
Oh my god!
It's so good!
What? Why would you eat them? Are these just candies? Not real gems?
Time for music class with Paco!
Let's learn a new melody! It's your turn now! Oh no! You just killed music! But I'll get my revenge! Soundwave!
Save yourselves!
What did I miss? You were quiet! Good job! Here's a gem!
Why?
Ouch!
That's not fair!
1, 2, 3, go! No! Your task is to get the gem! Next! Not enough! Bull! What have you done?
I got the gem!
You broke my ceiling! Who's gonna pay for it? Come on! Pay with your gems! Knead polymer clay and roll out to make an even layer. Cut out a bullhead. Bake following the package instructions. Paint it. Glue on felt eyes and a felt base. Glue the head to a belt.
Take my entire fortune! My wallet is empty!
Bull, come back!
What?
You! Me! A duel!
You're on! Don't mess with me!
Ha!
Oh.
Yikes!
Bye-bye! Bull is clearly bored in this class.
Nita! Nita! Nita!
What do you want from me?
Do you have an eraser?
Yeah, and it's special. Glue 2 erasers together. Cut out a paw. Paint it gold. black outlines. Add a cord with a fastener. Here you go, Bull.
Oh.
Whoa, thanks!
You're welcome.
Got it! Thanks!
Huh.
You can have your eraser back!
Boo! Miss Bell, this is for you. You're my favorite teacher. Oh, my new gem.
Oh, gems! I want some too! Wealth and luxury are my favorite words! Time to act! Miss Bell, this is for you!
Attach a black foam paper piece to a spinner. Put a gold foam paper star, a black circle, and a gold skull on top. Glue white foam paper wings to the sides. Attach a badge pin to the back. Oh, this badge also spins. Thanks.
That's it?
Yeah, take your seat.
My business plan failed!
Colt isn't used to sitting in one place for so long. Sweet dreams. Who's sleeping here? Colt? Hey, Bull, come here.
Yeah, he's definitely asleep!
Should we play tic-tac-toe?
Yeah! Oh!
It's my turn. X.
Oh! Awesome! I won!
No, I'm the winner. You lost.
Hey, I think I fell asleep. What are you laughing at? Who did this? You? I'll figure it out.
Where are the students? Class already started. Here you are. You're late again. Minus a gem for everyone. Take your seats. Let's write the topic down. Oh, I'll be back soon. Wait here. That's it. She's not coming back. Let's go, guys. Bull, get your brain together. We're leaving. Why teach class when you can just read a book? Good night, Miss Bell.
Guys, look! This is Rico the robot!
No! Cut the bottom off a plastic jar. Cover the hole with thick cardboard. Shape a hand out of air-dry clay. Cut off a rectangular piece of styrofoam. Sand it with a nail file. Glue the pieces to the jar. Add a plastic half sphere and a dark gem as an eye. Add clay arms and legs. Paint. Cut vest details out of blue felt. Put the vest on the figurine. Put an air-dry clay gun in the hand.
This is just gum! That must hurt! Oh, there's the last piece of gum left for me!
Colt? What's going on here? -1 gem! This behavior is unacceptable! I'll call your parents. Genius, Colt! Fighters! We're taking a test today. No! No way! Leon, are you invisible again? Nah, he's playing hooky. Good luck, everyone! Get to work! We need help! Get your backpacks out! What's waiting for us in the boxes? Make a cardboard backpack shaped like a box. Wrap it in felt. Cut a red felt circle into 3 parts. Cover a round cardboard piece. Glue the handle to the box. Attach a black felt face to the flap. Decorate the corners with red felt. Glue on side pieces. Glue webbing ribbon straps to the back.
Oh, a banana! Nice! A slingshot! Perfect timing! Bye, Tess!
Yeah! I got a finished test with a high grade! Woo! I got my gem! Well, the time has come! Let's count your gems! It's a tie! So who's gonna get our main prize? Here it is! Mr. Squeak himself! Wrap a detachable plastic egg in light clay. Shape Squeak. Add a cut along the cap. Wait for the clay to harden and paint the figurine. Put blue slime inside the egg. Attach a piece to the belt.
Whoa! Bull, wake up! What an awesome prize!
And the Squeak goes to... Where is he?
What? What?
Who took the prize? Leon!
This Squeak is mine! What a cutie!
Ah! Leon has 3.5 gems! It's fair!
And here's the sticky blob! Ah! It's super sticky!
Guys, let's go! Did you like our Brawl Stars at college? Then comment below and tell us who's your favorite character! Nita, Colt, Bull, Leon, or Belle! And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.